Hello students, welcome in my lecture series. In class about the meaning of normal probability curve. But it can be said that the normal curve sometimes deviated from the normality. That means the curve deviated from the normality, and there exists a skewness in normal curve. In this part, we will discuss about the skewness in probability curve. Now, if we consider the three distributions, say distribution A, distribution B, and distribution C, and plot a graph on that the distribution A is represented by this type of curve, say distribution A, it is distribution B, and it is distribution C. If we plot the graph of each distribution as taking scores along x-axis and frequency along y-axis, then we will take the graphs as shown in this figure. Now it is observed that the distribution C is normal distribution because the curve obtained is exactly or perfectly symmetrical. But in case of distribution A and distribution B, the curve deviated from normality. In case of distribution A, the curve is deviated at left side of the ordinate, and in distribution B, the curve is deviated right side of the ordinate. Uh, in such a type of distribution, majority of individuals obtain high score more than or obtain score more than mean, and in case of distribution B, majority of individuals obtain the score less than mean. But in normal probability curve, the majority of uh, individuals obtain the score around average. This is a normal curve, that means it is normal probability curve, and these two curves are skewed. Such a type of curve are known as skewed curve, and there are two types of skewness in curve. One is negative skewness and it is positive skewness. This curve is skewed at left side of the ordinate, and this curve is skewed along the or at the right side of the curve. It is negative skewness, and it is positive skewness. In negative skewness, majority of individuals obtain the score more than mean. It is inclined more to the left, and in positive skewness, the curve is more inclined at right side of the ordinate. We can define the skewness as, say firstly we define negative skewness. When the curve is said to be negatively skewed, when majority of individuals obtain the score more than mean or average, and the curve is said to be positively skewed when majority of individual obtain the score less than mean. So if we consider negative skewness, then here majority of individuals score more than mean. So in such a type of distribution, or in say positive skewness and a negative skewed curve, the measures of central tendencies are not same. That means mean median mode has not same. Now if we consider the distribution A, then in distribution A, mean is equal to 78.1, median is equal to 78.5, and mode is equal to 79.3. mean is 78.1, median is 78.5 and mode is 79.3. That means the values of mean, median and mode are not same, they are different. And particularly we can say that mean is less than median is less than mode. Such a distribution is called negatively skewed distribution. Now if we consider second distribution, say B, then if we find or if we calculate the central measures of central tendency, then mean is equal to 22.1, median is equal to 21.7 and mode is equal to 19.3. That means in positive skewness, mean is greater than median is greater than mode. That means in positive skewed curve, mean has maximum value, while in negative skewed curve, mean has lowest value as compared to the other measures of central tendency. And in case of normal probability curve, we know that mean is equal to median is equal to, in normal curve, the values of mean, median, mode are same. And in case of distribution C, mean is equal to median is equal to mode and which is equal to 54.5. That means in case of normal probability curve, the measures of central tendencies are same. But in when the curve skewed in form or in case of skewed curve, the measures of central tendencies are different. Now we can calculate the skewness of the curve. We can measure the skewness of the curve by using the formula skewness Sk is equal to 3 m minus md upon sd, where Sk means skewness of the curve, m means mean of the distribution, and md means median of the distribution, and sd means standard deviation of the respective distribution. We can find the skewness of the curve by using this formula. A percentile of the distribution is known, then we can find the skewness by using the formula Sk is equal to P90 plus P10 upon 2 minus P50. That means if we know the values of mean, median and standard deviation, then we can use this formula. And if we know the percentile of the distribution, then we can use the other formula. Now let us consider the example. Consider the distribution A. Find its skewness. Now we know that the mean and median of the distribution. Mean of the consider the distribution A. Now for distribution A, mean is equal to 78.1 and median is equal to 78.5, SD is equal to 8.62. So skewness of this distribution can be calculated by the formula Sk is equal to 3 into bracket m minus md upon sd. Putting the values in formula, we find Sk is equal to 3 into mean is 78.1 minus 78.5 upon 8.62, and we will get it is minus 3 multiplied by 0.4 divided by 8.62, and its value is, that means Sk is equal to minus 0.14. That means the, from this calculation also we can say that the curve is negatively skewed. And in negatively skewed curve, mean is less than median. Skewed curve in median is also in middle part, and the position of mean and mode is consider the distribution B, and if we calculate the P90, P10 and P50, that means 19th percentile, 10th percentile and 15th percentile, then we can find the skewness of the distribution B. P50 is equal to 21.73. P50 means median. P90 is equal to 32.5 and P10 83. And by using the formula, we can calculate the skewness of the curve. We can calculate the skewness of the distribution B. So Sk is equal to P90 plus P10 upon 2 minus P50. The values in formula Sk is equal to 32.5 plus 12.18 divided by 2 minus 21.17. Now here we get 45.33 upon 2 minus 21.17, and finally we get 1.5. That means skewness of the distribution B is 1.5. In this way, we can calculate the skewness of this part. We have discussed about the skewness in curve, positively skewness and positive skewed curve and negative skewed curve. In next part, we will discuss about the second type of deviation of the curve from normality as kurtosis.